The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fayette County in northeastern Iowa until 4:30 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Fairbank, or 12 miles west of Owine, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fairbank around 4 p.m. Owine around 4:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include County Roads 3 and West 13. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Fayette, Iowa,